Did the stream just wake up on the wrong side of the bed? Did that fix it? Is that better? I can't tell. 1 second. No, that's not better, is it? I don't know what to do. Well, 1 second. That's fantastic. Does that help it? I actually think the solid color should actually help it some. I can't tell. I'll need somebody in chat to let me know how bad this actually is. So I'm getting some weird readings over here as far as like my bitrate goes, as far as, yeah, like I'm not even sure if this is readable. Or even the number of frames per second you're receiving. Maybe it's all cleared up. Okay, well, I'll just continue on then. I'll continue on. I need to push some code for the new lesson that I pushed out. New Rust lesson. It's not out yet. It is out. I released it. This is what I need to actually put out there. Yep. I didn't put it out there yet. What? All right. How's everyone doing tonight? If you can hear me or see anything that's going on, who knows if you can or can't. Let's see. Let's open this up. We need to actually make one change really quickly. Lesson 3 should be lesson 4. And then we're actually good here. We need to push this branch. Okay. 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 What am I doing? Seems like my bitrate has leveled out. So I think we're okay now. I think we're past the worst of it. All right, let's go in here. Let's jump in here. Let's jump in here. And we're just going to boom. What? How did that get copied? Holy crap. That is not what I wanted at all. Let's see. We'll just open that file. Open a file. That was not there. All right. Well, probably should have done that, but oh well. I'll check it in the code at least. Let's update this. I need to spend some time one of these days and just make this a little bit better. It's hard. I can't get the link to the video until I've posted the video, so it's kind of a catch-22. The link, I can't check in the code until I post the video, and I can't post the video with a link to the code until I, yeah, they both depend. Circular dependencies are the worst. And let's see. Link copied. Boom. Video's in there. All right. That's not what I wanted at all. All right. There we go. Okay. What are we doing today? Oh, I need to actually get the link to that. Um, and post this on the video. All right. There we go. All right. Now, we probably should rock some WebSockets. WebSockets have kicked my butt for the last day. I want to say day, but it's been like the last week. I don't really want to touch them. Just want to do something fun and relaxing, not worry about WebSockets, but I think that's what we need to do. All right, all that garbage is up, safe and sound for the world to see my embarrassment. I've come to the conclusion that I am absolutely doing something wrong. What it is, I'm not entirely sure yet. Not entirely sure yet. Let's go ahead and open this. All right. So I have a front end and I have a back end, and they connect and communicate via a WebSocket. But I have a very sincere and dear problem. They don't work. They don't work. Why don't they work? Why? Let's ask ChatGPT. No. Nope. No to two. Client-side issue with the client side, such as unresponsive browser or script error that can cause the WebSocket connection to drop. Maybe three. Proxy or firewall, nope, they're on the same computer. Load balance configuration, nope, they're on the same computer. 1 second. 1 second. Star coder is what we need to do. Hugging chat. Star coder, okay. Why do my WebSocket connections break after 20 seconds? Is this true? Is this true? Is this tidbit of information true? Or is it just hallucinating it? Messages are being sent, so it's also not that it's a dead WebSocket. All right, let's think. The other thing that we can look at is let's open up another terminal session. The other thing that I was noticing is I got this. There's this example project, React Node WebSockets demo, and there's a client here. let's see. There is this I want to say here. And we can just change this to 9,000. Could just change the 9. Okay. And that's going to connect. Actually, one second. Let's go back into here. Where else is that used? Okay. Does it not receive messages? Oh, here. Hmm. All right. Wait, let's see. So the way they get ready, stay open, send message, user event. Let's not at all what I meant to do. Stop that. So there is a send. All right, let's just run with this for right now. I'm wondering if I've screwed something up on the server inadvertently. I guess what. Yeah. Let's go ahead and run that over here. So we get it. It connected. And this will run forever. The thing is, I don't think it's actually doing anything with the message. Let's see if we can't see it because we're sending something. It doesn't even like print out the message. But it doesn't disconnect, which is an important. We don't get a broken pipe here, this is the test that actually made me think that my server doesn't have a problem, is because this right here worked. And it continues to work. We could let this run for a while, but the idea is that it continues to work. I got something close to working, but with wow, I can't spell code. Okay. Not AP. This is the front end. Actually, I need to React. This is the React front end, and we can do npm start here. It connects, and it starts to send messages, and we can watch those messages. Don't tell me it's all fixed. Never mind, it's all fixed, everyone. It's all fixed. Apparently it's all fixed. Apparently it's all fixed. Oh, fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I still don't know how to deal with the problem of but you know, I'm gonna ignore that. Basically, if we get more messages than the amount of time it takes, it just will fail to actually go through the queue at all. Which I think is fine to a certain extent. Um, okay, let's see how this will look. This might give us, yeah, infinite loop. All right, we'll go here. Let's make this our local host 8080. Yeah. Isn't that what we are connected to? Localhost 3000. Okay, never mind. Never mind. 3000. Excuse me. Ugh. Actually, we'll get another connection. We have two. Cool. Awesome. Now, obviously, our CSS is wrong because we should only see the ping. And I think we had, yeah, we have the body and whatnot here. So I think we have some styling on this component, and that's wrong. That would be my guess here. Let's yeah, this is app CSS right here. Feel like this component shouldn't have any CSS. Interesting. And it's still pinging away. Okay, that's fantastic. Let's see what we have as far as CSS looks like. That's not what I wanted at all. There we go. Styles, yeah, okay. We don't want that. Oh, it's an app header. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see. App logo, app header. Yeah, let's just I actually think we can just do away with this. Yeah, just that right there. Okay, that's looking better. Firefox, let me see what you look like. We might need to reload this. I broke it. I done broke it. So one thing I don't know how to do here is tell it to refresh. Oh, it's there. It's black. Oh, perfect. So it's removing all the background, and it's black. Can we just add a color to this? Color source. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Color source. Yeah, that's good. And you need to be behind the browser source. There we go. Okay, there it is. There's our Twitch alert. Perfect. Okay. Now, I kind of liked it being in the middle. So let's bring this back. But let's go and change it up a little bit. Let's delete that. We're going to need to programmatically set the color. I guess people should be able to set whatever color they want for their text. But I guess that should come in as a per message, right? Or maybe we just have it set once. Not sure. We'll deal with that later. Does this look better? Again, I don't know how to get it to reset. There we go, except open it. All right, yeah, that's exactly what we want. Now we can get rid of this because and it's just black. Beautiful, beautiful. So right now the event server is just sending a ping every second and it's displaying it for half a second. That's all that's happening right now. I guess my question here. Hmm. This is good. We just have a few problems to solve. This is good. Um, we'll set the color programmatically. What we need to figure out is this horribleness. So basically, if we get, I use this use effect to set an interval to basically go through the queue. So basically, each WebSocket message we just go through, and we display it for half a second right now. But the whole idea is that you should be able to configure how long your message displays for. And the second thing is that you should be on top of that. What happens here, the problem, is that every single message adds to this queue state. And what that means is this use effect gets reset every single message. So if this is set at 5 seconds and you send a message every 2 seconds for just a little while, assumingly you get a bunch of subscribers and then, it slowly works through the queue. The queue never actually runs though, because it gets reset and then it gets reset and then it gets reset. Now, I think there's something to do with clearing the interval. And like maybe we don't clear the interval here. And then we clear the interval somewhere else. But my ability to do that in React, do I put this interval in a piece of state? Is that the solution? That sounds gross, but then the app could be the thing that actually creates it. So only when the app gets recreated do you restart the interval. Is that the solution? But then if the app creates the interval, I need to do the end of timer checks in here. Anyways, this is my conundrum that I'm having here. This is my issue. All right. So we have to also play a sound here. Which presumably it needs to have access to as well. I think we'll just do a hard-coded sound that we package with it. I'll find some sound. I made such an abomination here. Weeks of programming and I have a blinking ping message. Not entirely true. Not entirely true, but it's what it feels like. Boy, my bitrate is still down. I don't know how to move this use effect to the app. Unless if I was to like pass in the function that it's going to call, but even then I like yeah. I need to think on this. Okay, well, I'm happy. This is working at least. I could have sworn that the pipes were breaking on me last night, but glad I was wrong. Glad I was wrong. Still think that the stream is just breaking up. Maybe that's a signal to just give up for today. I don't know. I'm pretty tired, but yeah, the stream keeps going all wonky. I wonder if it's the Mac Mini or my Switch or something. I don't know. Every network thing I ran said like everything seems to be fine, except I didn't run them on the Mac Mini that actually powers the stream. All right. Let's see. We can delete the Twitch, the Kafka, right? I think we're actually probably, like I said, we're probably going to implement it just to understand what needs to be generated. Yeah, let me know. I don't know if the stream is running very well. Like I keep getting conflicting signals on this. It's saying that it's doing well. On this, it's saying that it's doing poorly. So I don't know. Uh, I'm guessing it's going poorly because it goes poorly sometimes when it says it's doing well. Um, that would be my guess. All right, let's see. On our front end API here, I think the biggest thing that needs to be added here, okay, obviously a little cleanup. Let's do that. I think the biggest thing is we actually need to pass the string. Like we are just literally passing a test message at this point. And we need to actually pass the thing that we want to pass. I guess we probably actually want to make this like a struct with like an actual message. Do you know what I kind of want to test though? Now that this seems to be working just fine, you know what I kind of okay. Call me crazy, but I kind of want to test the Wasm version. That doesn't appear to be working. I don't actually remember like what we left it in. What state? Uh, I'm pinging way more than that, buddy. It's so far behind, it's not even funny. What did I do to it? What did I do? It was working fairly well, except for the broken. We tried a whole bunch of stuff, didn't we? This does not seem to be working well. Why is it so slow? I'm not getting the broken pipe. Which WebSocket are we using? WebSocket Stream Blossom. From WebSocket ping. Should be getting one of these every second, though. Definitely is delayed. But why? At this point, I'm just logging it. I'm not building the messages anymore. So it's never making it to the UI, but I wonder. I almost wonder if. Yeah, no, it's on time. It's just. Hmm. We'll put this back to 3,000. Did we connect? We connected. Now it's just going to take its dear sweet time. I have no idea what's going on with this. None at all. That's okay. The stream's not wanting to work anyways, so I am just going to say good night. It's a good night to call it a night.